everyone, I am Angela and Megan together with my groups Alon Divine and Coronas Justin. Today my task is to explain our artwork entitled by the footprints of environmental in microbiology. These are the footprints of environmentals of microbiology. That pictures describe for most people of microorganisms are out of sight and therefore out of mind, but they are large, extremely diverse group of organisms. They are everywhere and are dominant form of life on planet Earth. Almost every surface is colonized by microorganisms, including our skin. However, most of them are harmless to humans. Some microorganisms can live in boiling hot spring, whereas other form microbial communities is in frozen sea ice area. Among their many roles, microorganisms are necessary for biogeochemical cycling, such as soil fertility, decomposition of dead plants and animals, and biodegradation of many complex organic compounds present in environment. Environmental microbiology is concerned with the study of microorganisms in the soil, water, and air and their application in bioremediation to reduce environmental pollution through the biological biodegradation of pollutants into non-toxics or substance. In the field of environmental microbiology, also cover the topics such as microbial induced by biocorrosion and bioreation of constructing materials and microbiology quality of outdoor and indoor air. At the end of this discussion, I will explain what are the effect in environment to the human. For the introduction, microorganisms can be found all over the environment and are involved in the wide range of natural activities. They control, among other things, the basic drug cycles that provide nutrients to plants via the response of organic matter in soil. Microorganisms have a variety of roles in the environment, including the biogeochemical cycling, soil fertility, decomposition of dead plants and animals, and biodegradation of many complex organic substances. The natural surroundings and conditions in which we live are referred to as the environment. Unfortunately, this environment is now in grave danger. Why? Because some of people did not think about their environmental. Human activities are almost completely to blame for this problem. These human activities are undoubtedly weak disruption on the environment. Most important, this devastation puts the survival to all living creatures on Earth in jeopardy as a result of environmental preservation is critical. Okay, let's go to the positive effect of the environmental to the human. The cornerstone to life on Earth, existence, and survival is environmental cleanup. Maintaining a clean environment to reduce pollution, protects endangered species, and aids in the preservation of natural resources on the planet. And a society state of cleanliness reflects its mentality. The more you don't care about our environment, the more it will get polluted with the chemicals and toxins that have a negative influence on our health. In point of fact, the cornerstone of preserving our planet, communities, and economy is environmental protection. Our ecosystem are supported and housed by our surroundings, which allow them to flourish and thrive. If we do not protect our environment, the life of humans, animals, plants, and others will be jeopardized. And speaking of environment, as I observe, in my place at Surigao that the environment there is the effect of of mining in the human. So the major problem there is the watershed, kung saan yun talaga ang major problem na dahil na yung watershed namin doon na apektahan dahil sa pagpasok ng mining site. Kaya kung saan yung mga tao kumukuha ng iniinom nila, yung ginagawa na lang nila, bumibili lang kami doon ng yung tubig na iinumin namin, at saka dahil di na pwede namin magamit yung watershed namin dahil baka kung gagamitin namin yun, baka magkasakit yung mga tao doon dahil compare yung wala pa yung mining, di pa nakapasok yung mining, okay yung watershed namin doon kami kumukuha ng tubig, ginagamit namin pampaligo, ginagamit namin iinumin namin pang araw-araw. Pero pagpasok ng mining site, yun, nagka-problema na, marami ng problema yung nagsunod-sunod na yung mga kabataan, palagi na nagkakasakit dahil sa dulot ng makikita mo doon sa amin, puro lupan lang yung makikita mo, kakaunti na lang yung mga kahoy na makikita mo, yung mga malalaking kahoy. Tapos yung riverside doon sa amin, makikita mo madumi na, hindi na siya malinaw, hindi na gaya ng dati. Tapos marami na yung pagbabago doon sa amin. Palagi nang nagla-landslide, bumabaha dahil sa mining site. Kaya as I observe, bakit ganun? Bakit walang gumagawa ng paraan, walang nagpo-protect sa environmental namin doon? Dahil kung may nagpo-protect, di sana magkakaroon ng problema like watershed that we know that kasi important resources to the human. Then yun, as I observe, we need to take care, napakahalaga talaga to take care the environment, dahil if masisira yung the environmental will destruct, the human also will affected. That's all then. In point of fact, that the cornerstone of preserving our planet, communities, and economies, environmental protection, our ecosystem are supported and housed by our surroundings, which allows them to flourish and thrive. If we do not protect our environment, the life of humans, animals, plants, and others will be jeopardized. In negative effects, microbes are mostly destructive to our survival and civilization, since they are a major cause of disease in animals and plants, as well as agents of spoiling and decomposition in our foods, textiles, and houses. In a decade, waste disposal has been linked to increased mortality and even reproductive health problems. Pollution of the soil, water, and air can all be caused by inappropriate waste disposal. When one of these becomes related with a dangerous compound, this not only contributes to general greenhouse emission, but it also serves the consequence for marine and wildlife. In a conclusion, all life on Earth is built on the condition of microorganisms, their appearance, ability to carry out various metabolic changes, ability to develop in wide range of settings, and interaction with other species all differ because there are many distinct creatures on Earth. Moreover, the ability of bacteria to recycle the fundamental components that make up all things system, particularly carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, in their most significant impact on the planet. I guess that would be all. That's all, and thank you.